Sa kasalukuyan po ay nagbobotohan po sa Kamara tungkol sa sufficiency in form kaugnay ng pagdinig ng House Committee on Justice sa tatlong impeachment complaint na isinampa laban kay Pangulong Aquino. Panoorin po natin ito.
Resolution and verification is valid as is.
Thank you. Those who are against the motion, please stand up. Abstention. Abstention. For abstention, stand up. With 53 affirmative votes, 53. 1 negative and 1 abstention. The committee declares impeachment or complaint 0001 sufficient in form. As amended. So, second impeachment complaint, complaint 0002, you have 2 minutes.
Magandang araw
Congressman Ridon, you have the floor.
Magandang umaga po. Yung ikalawang impeachment complaint po ay na-file noong July 22, 2014 ng 15 complainants mula po sa iba't ibang mga paaralan in representation of themselves, and this was endorsed on the same date, July 22, 2014 by this representation.
At yan pong naging resulta ng botohan kaugnay ng impeachment complaint 0001 laban kay Pangulong Aquino. Ayon sa Senado, sa botohang 53 affirmative, Kongreso, according sa 53 na affirmative, isang negative at isang abstention, ay sufficient in form umano ang naturang impeachment complaint.
Endorsers.
The endorsers are...
Tutok lang dito sa GMA News TV para oras-oras. Alam mo, ako po si Oscar Oida. Magandang umaga.